Hi guys, Chris here for 10K Tech and welcome to my channel, where today we are going to see the 3 best video of 2019. This will be the 3 best that I find and the 3 best of my video, actually the one you watch. So thank you for your support guys, and let's get started now. So this is an actual footage of wet market, as we call it in Asia, alright? And it's a real time. Those guys are very fast. I wish I could do that, but I'm not there yet. Anyway, I still have my 10 figures and I'm glad that this guy can as well. Alright, next video is mine. Hello guys, this is Chris from 10K Tech here. Today we are going to do the unboxing of the anniversary edition RX590. I got this as an upgrade as the RX580 that I ordered was out of stock with no extra charge. So let's go into it and do the unpacking. This is exactly the same specification as the RX580. The only difference will be the shroud, which is in the golden color, and this one was supposed to come with 3 games that I didn't get because it was too late. Although I got the coupon code, but well, too bad for me. I cannot expect for too much, isn't it? So if you want to know a little bit more about it, you can pause as I hover over the specification written on the box. As I did say, is well, nothing different from the 580. Anyway, so the only things that I'm glad is that I got an upgrade with the color, as the blue one is quite difficult to match in a case. It looks nice, don't get me wrong, but the golden one will be easier to match, and also with the white LED instead of the blue. We are soon there. Bear with me a little bit more and we will see what the package includes. Although I would prefer them to include the game, you know, physically in the CD as it was before, but anyway, I have the coupon. So as you can see, bare minimum notice saying whatever, the CDs, not even a sticker on it or whatnot, for anniversary edition. Oh well. Anyway, the manual now, pretty bare also. I mean, I'm not going to go through, but you know what to do with a car, mostly, if you buy one. Then, as you can see here, the golden one, it looks a little bit plasticky to me, alright? Well, you can see, you can see the 2 heat pipes here, the sapphire logo that light up white, the fan will light up white as well. Oh, those fans by the way are the quick release fan, alright, with just a screw. Those are the 2 other pipes, which is 4 altogether. The back plate, although it's aluminum, alright, so at least it will help for the cooling. You have the BIOS switch, which by default is set to silent, and if you turn it on, then you have the boost. Alright, so now with the ports, you get 2 display port 1.4 and 2 HDMI 2.0, alright, as well as the DVI dual link. So this is the quick connect for the fans, okay, which are supposedly to be dust repellent, alright. The back plate, the metallic one, provides rigidity and the passive cooling. You can see that the plastic is flexing a little bit. Well, I cannot complain too much, alright. So thank you guys for watching. If you like, you know what to do, and if you don't also, please do subscribe if you want. Thank you. Bye guys. For this one I speed it up. The whole process will take 10 minutes and I don't want you to look at it for 10 minutes. It will add to my video as well. pretty good driving from this guy. All right, and without a scratch. Amazing. Next video. This was the second video that I posted on my channel after, it was about 6 months ago after I started it. This got 132 views with 10 likes and no dislikes whatsoever, for now at least. Basically it shows how I do the end intro that I post in all my videos. It was supposed to be without any sounds, but there was sounds. At that time I didn't know how to edit the sound. I will leave it because it will add, anyway, if you want to see the video, since I will start to speed up this video, if you want to see it, you can see it in the description. I will put the link down below. Alright, if you have any comments or if you want me to redo it a little bit better, because I can see a lot of things I don't like about it, but as I did say, it was my second video I ever made. Let me know. Alright, so now the third and last video that I like about 2019, and I saw basically in the harvest of cranberries. I find it amazing and I hope you will too, guys. So let's see this. So basically those tractors now are cutting the cranberries, the berries from the cranberry plant, sorry, and you can see that they are going on top, and as well as putting a line to all contain them in one space. And you will see that slowly there is a guy who will tie up the line to make sure that the cranberry are sucked in. Alright, I really do find this amazing, on top of being beautiful. Please do let me know if you enjoy this, and if you like cranberries. Who knows, so far I don't know anyone who's allergic to. Unlike chocolate, I know some people who are allergic or even doesn't like it. If you know who you are, leave me a comment. Anyway, next video. For this last video, it was posted 5 months ago and scored 130 views with 11 likes. No dislikes so far. You will find in the video, as I do always, try to put as much details as possible or information about the video that I'm making, so feel free to look at it. If you like this video, please, you know what to do. You can watch what's happening on the screen. Otherwise, if you do not like it, let me know in a comment down below. I will really appreciate and try to improve myself. Anyway, I wish you all a happy New Year's, good health, prosperities, and most of it, happiness. Hey, bye guys, enjoy!